How to get points on Steam. Let me go ahead and first open up the point store. So I'll come here, click on store, and then I'll click on point shop. So let me explain to you what's actually going on. So to get points on Steam, you need to simply make purchases on Steam. Okay? You earn points based on the amount of money you spend, essentially receiving a set number of points for every dollar spent on games, DLCs, or other content available on their platform. So every purchase on the Steam store earns you point. And generally you get about 100 points for every dollar you spend. As you can see, I have about 598 points. Okay. And you can actually redeem your store points in the points shop to do things like customizing your Steam profile with items like avatars, backgrounds, and badges. And it's really that easy and simple. Just keep spending on the Steam store and you'll get 100 points for every dollar that you spend.